What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a special pack opening for you guys. I will be doing a legend pack and 2 pro packs, also a frozen gift pack. And yeah, if this video gets 10 likes, I will open the other legend packs. Let's just check out my league real quick in case any of you guys want to join. We do have 3 open spots left, and you can join. We are tier 7. Hit me up down in the comments if you want to join. But let's get to this now. I've been waiting to do this for a while. Also, this is my very first YouTube video, so I am also hyped and excited. Let's get started first. Let's do a legend pack for you guys first. Ready for this big opening? Open. Hopefully I can get a Lawrence Taylor collectible or Sean Taylor. Okay, not bad. Hines Ward. I don't know how much he goes for. We got 2 gold players. Oh, another gold. Oh, another gold. Alright, frozen logo. Those aren't for much anymore. And Anthony Fastino. Continue. Let's do 2 pro packs now. Let's here. Open this first one. Ooh, Navarro Bowman. Okay. Hopefully that's a pretty good pick. Hopefully he sells for a lot. Alright, next we got Justin Brown and Jonathan. I can't even pronounce his last name. And Tim Tebow. Alright, next one. Next pro pack opening. Alright, this pro pack, it was alright. Not the best, not the worst. So, last pack opening. Actually, I'll do 2 more packs. Frozen gift pack. Alright. Let's open. Alright. Not bad. I don't even know what that is, actually. And this is a lead offensive lineman, which we got from our league. Rushing achievement. Let's see what this one brings upon us. Tyrone Smith. Oh, I don't even know who that is. That's a disappointment. So, leave a like down below and comment if you would like to join the league. We are accepting 3 more members. Only 3. We are tier 7, or tier 7, I mean. So comment down below kick names. I'll comment my kick name in the comment section too. If you want to join, just hit me up on Kick and you can join. I'll just give you guys a peek at my team too. They're doing pretty good. My defense is pretty elite too. Yeah. Alright, if you want to see 5 legend pack opening, please like and comment down below. Or if you want to see a 20 pro pack opening, also leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Signing out, this is Madden Mobile Legends.